Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to write VBA code for Control Shift down arrow key and Control down arrow key shortcuts. What is Control Shift down arrow key? Keep the cursor on 1 and if you press Control Shift down arrow key you can select entire continuous range, and if you press Control R you will be reaching to the last row. How to write the code for it? Let me jump into VBA. First let me write the code and you can just pause the video and understand how to write the code. Here range selection comma, that means that is my starting point, and then from starting point till end of downwards dot select. This is the code I'm writing. Let me give it like this. And the second code is sub test 1. Here I'm just writing selection dot end excel down dot select. Now let me test the first code. Let me keep the cursor on 1 and then let me test the first code. If I press debugger, I'll be able to select entire thing. That means this is for Control Shift down arrow key, and if I keep the cursor on 1 and run the second code, it is Control arrow key. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, please share with many, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.